How do you create an environment for your people where they're able to enrich their lives, to prosper, and to become all that they can be, and to really push forward and grow?
I mean, that's a deep question.
It is. Each of these questions are.
Let me perhaps turn that around. For me, I'd probably look at it the other way and say I've always believed it's not my job to motivate people.
Yeah.
I think the only person that can motivate you is you. Mm-hmm. My job with the management team here as well is to create an environment in which people can do their best work. That's my job. So my job is to create clear direction, make sure everyone's got a clear set of objectives as to what they need to do, clear expectations of what it looks like, clear plans around career development and training and what we do for them and how we look after them, great facilities, great tools to be able to do their best work. And the rest is over to them. So for me, it's about making sure that environment is as rich as we can possibly make it, and that's, I guess, my job with the team here, and to be honest, with everybody inside the company as well. And then within that environment, then people have to motivate themselves.
And how does it work? How do you find, does that strategy work here in Juniper? Because some people clearly want to be pulled along, while others are very happy. So does Juniper tend to attract the kind of talent that where you can give them the environment and they thrive?
We can. I mean, generally, we thrive ourselves, and in fact, we hinge, actually, the whole of Juniper is based on doing what we call disruptive innovation. Yes. So we're a company that innovates, we fundamentally innovate in everything that we do, and we do call it quite deliberately disruptive innovation. So we like to look at things differently. So our latest data center offerings actually completely rethink the way that you would build a data center. So it's a completely different approach to what our competitors are doing. And we like to, and generally speaking, we'll hire people that have that same kind of mindset. And we're not a company where you tell people what to do. And I've never been a believer in that either. So we set broad goals, broad objectives, clear direction, and then just let people do their best work, right? Try not to get in the way. No. So I think the only time we get frustrated, and perhaps when we're not, perhaps not maybe as a negative, but we're perhaps not as strong in some areas as a business as we grow. You need to put elements of process in as any business grows. So there's natural growth cycles that companies go through, and as you do that, you do need to add certain layers of process in. The trick is trying to find the right way to do that, so you don't hamper people from doing their best work, but you do put in some additional disciplines that are needed. That balance, I think, even Juniper now, we probably struggle with a little bit. Making sure that we take the handcuffs off people so they're free, genuinely empowered to get on and do their job, but putting the right process and systems and tools in to enable it in the most effective way. We find our way through that a little bit sometimes.